we are creating Meadow Mystics. It's a mix of Stardew Valley and Minecraft for Web 3. We have already launched our first flagman project, Pixstudy, and right now we have about 200k users in Pixstudy. But Pixstudy is a multi-chain app where we have implemented different interesting technologies like one-way serialization technology. After this, we have a big dream to run something like Stardew Valley. And that's why how we decided to create Meadow Mystics. Meadow Mystics is MMORPG Web 2.5 tournament management game. Why I call all our games Web 2.5? Because when we ask Web 2 players about Web 3, they don't really can be interested about blockchain. Why do they need blockchain? They can play World of Warcraft, Fortnite. They can play various games without any of this integration. And many projects, unfortunately, begin this tradition. They start to launch the tokens, pump this token, dump this token, and so on, and nothing in a year or 2 years and so on. What we are doing in our company is creating a bridge between Web2 audience and Web3. Because average Web2 player spend about 1000 USD per year without any buying token, just to pay for skins and so on. So let's talk more about Meadow Mystics. Meadow Mystics is a tavern management game where you can manage your own tavern and grow crops, animals, and so on, and also get a profit in the middle token. Yep, we will launch token, but it will be in-game token, not for manipulation, just like gold in World of Warcraft. We wanted to give Meadow Mystics cozy, heartwarming appearance that reminds you about home. And that's what we are focused on, because people, many gamers, buying the games just for fun, they wanted to get warm, good emotions. Our main mechanics is very simple. And again, we try to transfer the best experience from Web 2 into our Web 3 game. Grow crops, raise animals, practice fishing, upgrade your tools, unlock new recipes, and open new territories. By the way, we are going to launch new location every 2 months. Users will be able to earn Prismarite by selling resources and products, and that's something that can be easily done with Supra. We will create value through challenge, because the game is free to play, but we have clear understanding of our business model. And this is about selling skins, battle pass, commission from the marketplace. We're going to have one token middle, but we also will have Prismarite and silver as in game reward currency. And that's another thing. If we deploy our own app chain, we will be able to create an ecosystem of different tokens in the game. Like again, in World of Warcraft, you can have a gold, you can have other currencies, and that's all united in one ecosystem of our app chain. It's container. I don't know why I call it app chain, but if you ownership in Meadow Mystics, yep, very clear and very utility. Land NFT, premium subscription, like in Fortnite or many other games you have battle pass. Skin and cosmetics. We are going to have partnership with some brands and game guilds in which we already have some negotiations and integrate their skins. Like, I don't know, Fortnite integrate Marvel or Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in their game. There will be very simple ways to earn Prismarite, like sell, craft, loot different items, and clear their territory. It's the most interesting mechanics that gamers love to explore new content. Our main mission will be to generate more and more content, to sell it like any other traditional Web 2 business. And that's what we are going to do in the game. And users will be able to clear the territory to get new content. There are different ways to use Prismarite. Again, skip waiting time, upgrade your tools, improve your structures, and so on. We're planning to create a very simple but effective proposal on DAO. It means that any token holder can create proposals on Meadow Mystics platform. For example, we have a proposal to integrate, I don't know, maybe skins from Pixels, because Pixels is one of our main competitors. The most important part, in Pixstudy, we are launching Nintendo Switch version this year. And why we can do this? Because we can put blockchain as a technology on the backend and easily deploy with Nintendo. Also, we have some advisors who has already worked in Nintendo and Activision. That's why we have already have negotiations about this question, and it won't be a problem for us. I'm a big fan of consoles, and I think it's one of the way to blockchain need to be integrated in consoles. Our main go-to-market strategy, phase one has already been done. It's launch of social media, landing page, and so on. Then we will reveal very secret but very powerful blockchain. And phase three is right here. We are going to launch the game, the first alpha version in this year, and the first NFT collection for this game. But again, NFT collection and selling NFT collection is not something that's very important for us. The most important thing for us is giving our users fun. Tokenomics. So I think it's very clear: community ecosystem, team, private sale, and on marketing. We aim to secure a blockchain partner, and we already have some private round for investors. We aim to secure 1,400,000 in return on foreign supply. You can ask why not 10 million, but why we need to overvalue right now? We will earn money through our business model, and that's what we are focusing and develop step by step. And that's something that we're focusing right now. Roadmap in this year, beta, in the next year, global rollout, and creator program and tournament and other lot of different features. Our wonderful core team, right now we have about 15 people in our team. Some of them work in Ravensburg, by the way, it's a board game company, Blizzard, Nintendo, and Method Games. That's all. And we are planning to direct all our traffic from Pixstudy. Right now it's again 200k users to our new game. And create fun, create game, not token only, create game.